Good morning. It's day 32. It's sunny and beautiful outside. It's quite cold. I had a very cold night. I'll never get used to quilts in cold weather. I just find them very drafty. You roll over a bit and you feel a cold breeze on your backside, your legs, whatever. It's like a whole night is cat and mouse trying to pull the quilt tight. So, oh well. In any case, I did get a detailed forecast via my Garmin last night. The weather's going to turn quite bad. On Saturday morning it'll start as heavy rain and then turn to heavy snow, and then heavy snow continues on Sunday, and then unusually cold in the 20s during the night, which seems better since someone told me it was going to be teens during the night, and then low 30s during the day, which is freaking cold. So I'm coming up to Cottonwood Pass, and I'm going to take that trail and temporarily get off the PCT. I'm going to take it to goes for a few miles to a trailhead, and it leads into this multi-mile road into Lone Pine. It's not the sort of thing I would relish walking, but let's see if I can find a hitch. There's really been a dearth of hikers out here lately, because I passed the point of exit for the JMT, John Muir Trail hikers, further north at Whitney, and I think people who come in for day hikes are aware of the forecast and realize this is not a good time to be hiking. So I don't know. I can't get a hitch. I don't know. I'll have to try and figure out if it's walking or even trying to send a message to see if my wife could post on social media or something. Maybe someone would pick me up. But that's the plan. Despite being cold most of the night, I feel good now. Talk to you soon. I came from over here. The PCT goes that way, and the road to Cottonwood Trail is this way. That's the way I'm going. By the way, I'm still over 11,000 feet, and someone's forecast a couple of days ago said the snow line would be at 8,000 feet and above. So pretty high up here, unfortunately. I'm trying to find the trail. Oh boy, it's down here somewhere. Shoot, I gotta go look for the trail. Who is this?
My name's Eric.
And Eric was so kind. I got to hit the parking lot, and Eric agreed to give me a ride. Oh, my star, so lucky. Yep. Hey, this is day 34. It's Sunday. It's in the morning. I'm just killing time as I have been. So came in here on Friday. So it's Nero and then 2 zeros, because look what's behind me. It's been storming in the Sierra. So it's supposed to wind down tonight and cold tomorrow. I've just been hanging out in this little hostel. It's tremendously boring. But if nothing else, I've eaten well and rested a ton. So hopefully that'll give me some benefits when I get back on trail. But Monday morning, my intention is to get back on trail, as is the case with most hikers here. And I posted on Facebook hoping to get a ride. No response so far, so worst case I will be hitching and hoping for the best. I think I might be one of like 50, so that could be my next challenge. But look forward to get back on the trail. It's only like 45 miles or so to Kennedy Meadows, which is great. And then again, the 50 miles from Kennedy Meadows to Walker Pass already covered, so if I can, I'll hitch down to Walker Pass if possible, so I can not redo miles at this point since everything is going so slow. Talk to you soon.